Introducing the Shockwave Ultra 9.2 channel home theater system, a fundamental disruption in home entertainment design, combining 8 speaker drivers that are built in the soundbar, 2 10-inch wireless subwoofers, and 4 surround speakers. The Shockwave Ultra 9.2 theater system has unified the plug-and-play simplicity and acoustic requirements of a great sounding cinema, creating a hybrid solution that enables anyone to get the maximum cinema experience at home with a setup of approximately 30 minutes. Ever wonder how cinemas can be filled with deep, powerful bass so effortlessly? Cinemas use multiple subwoofers behind the big screen to envelop the audience with chest-pumping bass. Taking inspiration from this approach, we created the industry's first soundbar with 2 10-inch wireless subwoofers to deliver the same impact and wall-shaking bass to your living room, a configuration you will only find in high-end home theater setups. Cinemas are engineered to provide the most authentic experience by using many surround speakers, encompassing the audience with moving audio that flows all around them, and creating the true experience that the movie directors intended. With this in mind, we designed our flagship Shockwave Ultra 9.2 theater system with 4 surround speakers. They work together with the 2 ambient surround effect speakers at the front to form a full 360-degree cinema soundscape in the comfort of your living room, creating a surround experience that is so immersive that no other soundbars can replicate. The intelligence of our design doesn't end here. For rooms that cannot accommodate 4 separate speakers, our surround speakers can be seamlessly attached together to become a pair of dipole surround speakers. This modular setup will reverberate surround effects off walls to create the same 360-degree cinematic environment. Completing the experience is the compatibility with Dolby Vision and 4K HDR video formats, ensuring that you will see every cinematic detail in perfect clarity. With our proprietary spatial surround elevation processing technology and support for Dolby Atmos, the most advanced surround sound format available, you will be able to simultaneously experience up to 128 audio objects moving anywhere in the room, with lifelike objects around and above the entire audience, forming a 3-dimensional surround sound bubble, turning your room into an amazing place for entertainment. With the Nakamichi Shockwave Ultra 9.2 channel home theater system, you will feel like you are inside the action in ways you have never before experienced.
Introducing Arc, the premium smart soundbar for TV, movies, music, gaming, and more. Arc is a truly powerful soundbar with 11 high-performance drivers that produce vivid detail and impressive bass for home theater and music streaming. Experience 3D sound with Dolby Atmos. Arc's upward-firing drivers create a multi-dimensional soundstage that moves around you. Enhanced TruePlay tuning further optimizes the sound for the unique acoustics of the room, calibrating for the added height channels. And HDMI eARC offers increased bandwidth for higher quality audio. Tuned with the help of Oscar-winning sound engineers, Arc uses speech enhancement to emphasize the human voice, so you never miss a word. Arc discreetly mounts to the wall or sits beneath the TV without pulling focus. The status LED even adjusts for the brightness of the room to be visible but not distracting. Arc's magnetic sensor detects when it's mounted and automatically adjusts the EQ to temper bass resonance. Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant are built right in, so you can play music, set alarms, and more hands-free. And when you want privacy, mute the microphone with a tap. The LED will turn off so you know your voice assistant isn't listening. Setting up Arc is simple. Connect to your TV with the single cord to sync with your remote for streamlined control. The integrated IR repeater ensures Arc doesn't block your remote signal. When the TV is off, stream music, radio, podcasts, and more over Wi-Fi using the Sonos app or Apple AirPlay 2. Wirelessly connect sub and a pair of matching Sonos speakers such as One SL to create a more immersive surround sound experience, and easily expand your system to more rooms. Sonos Arc, brilliant sound in 3D.
Samsung home entertainment experience and relentless innovative drive, combined with Harman Kardon's 65+ years of acoustic design expertise, bring you the ultimate home theater sound. Samsung Soundbar Q90R. Immersive sound, optimized for QLED. Three front plus 2 side firing channels. Deep bass provided by a dedicated woofer. 2 wireless rear sound speaker kits with 2 up-firing channels. And 2 additional front up-firing channels maximize the surround sound effect. All these support Dolby Atmos and DTS:X sound formats, providing a richer, more cinematic surround sound experience at home. The evolution of soundbar technology didn't just stop at audio development. Immersive sound, optimized for QLED. Wireless TV connection via Wi-Fi avoids the clutter of unnecessary wires for a clean, sophisticated look that's simple to operate. One remote for both your TV and soundbar at the same time. Game Mode Pro automatically activates when your game console is turned on. Up-firing speakers provide rich, optimized 3D sound for more exciting, immersive gameplay on your QLED. Adaptive sound automatically adjusts to optimal sound settings for sports, movies, and all other types of content you watch on your QLED. And when you need to watch TV quietly at low volume, dialogue can still be heard clearly.
Comment! You're on your own, don't die!
Seamless HDR 10+ experience in immersive picture quality and rich, captivating sound for a truly next-generation viewing experience. Immersive sound, optimized for QLED. Samsung Soundbar Q90R.